Hey guys, this is Bhushan and you're watching Cloudy Rato. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the data structure of Panda library. So as you know, this is the second video of this tutorial. So Panda is an open source data analysis and manipulation library used extensively in Python for handling tabular data. So it provides powerful and easy to use data structure tools and techniques for working with structured data. And in our last video we discussed on how to install it and how to set up the environment for Pandas library. In this tutorial we will be discussing the two main data structures in Panda. Obviously I will make a detailed video of these two data structure, but this is an introductory video. So in data structure in Pandas is series and data frames. So we will also be exploring some example to demonstrate their uses and benefits. So let's start by discussing the first data structure, and that is series. A series is a one-dimensional array-like object. Now the things to focus here is it's a one-dimensional array-like object that can hold any data types such as integer, float, string, and even Python objects. It is similar to a NumPy array, but with additional functionality such as indexing, slicing, and alignment. And you will see this in our hands-on. So here is an example. Suppose, for example, as you know, first of all we need to import it. So as I already imported. So suppose we have a list of temperature in Fahrenheit for a week, and we can create a Panda series object from this list as follows. So for example, if I take temps, for example,
78, my bad. And
suppose here we are getting series. So pd dot series. So here you need to type the capital S for series, and here I am giving this list of temp to it, and now it's time to print it. Right, so here we are going to print the series. So as soon as I run this, okay, what the problem is, okay, invalid pointer. So where is invalid pointer? Okay, so maybe some problem. Okay, so here you can see it is the output of this the output display the index value and their corresponding temperature. So we can also access element using their index values as follows. So to get the values using their indexes, we need to print temp series, and we need to provide the index along with this. So here we go. Okay, to demonstrate it or to avoid the confusion, I am writing using index. Okay, so it will print. So here we can see using index we can get the 90, because the index of 2, that is 0, 1 and 2. So at index 2 we have 90. Now we will discuss about the second data structure of Pandas library, and that is data frame. Now one thing you need to know, you need to focus on is a data frame is a two-dimensional. As I already discussed, that series is a one-dimensional, whereas the data frame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure with column of potentially different data types. As we already discussed, that series is a one-dimensional array of similar type of similar data type, right? So if we discuss about the series is a one-dimensional array like object that can hold any data type such as integer, float, string, even Python object, and it is similar to a NumPy array, but the additional functionalities such as indexing, slicing, and alignment. Along with this, data frame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure with column of potentially different data types. Now, it is the most commonly used data structures in Panda and is often compared to a spreadsheet or SQL table. So, we will understand this with the help of hands-on. So, I'm going to comment it, and here, suppose I'll take data, and here I am taking one dictionary, and here I will write name, name, for example, Alice, comma, Bob, Charles, and say Dave. And here I will type age, list, for example 20, 90, 82, 88, and here I will write grade also. So grade, and here grades are 85, 90, 82, 88. Alright, now we are ready with the data. Okay, here is the linting error. We can solve it. Okay, so here also linting error. So at the time of programming with the Python, you should follow the pipette rule, and it is always a good practice to follow the pipette rule if you want to become a professional programmer. And here, suppose we are going to so pd dot again following the pipette rule, pd dot D capital data frame, and here we are providing data of it, and now it's time to print it, and you can see the magic of data frame. So here we go, and here, okay, so this is the output of this this program. So as you can see, the output display the column name and their corresponding values. We can also access element using their column name and index values as. So to get the data, or to print the data in the form of with the help of index value, you need to write, say, df. Here I'm going to give the name, and here I will going to pass index 1. Okay, and we know on index 1 the name is 01 Bob, and okay, we'll see. Okay, I am going to comment this, and here we go. Okay, so we got the name Bob, right? So in conclusion, Panda library provide efficient data structures to handle and manipulate tabular data. Series and data frames are two main data structures in Panda, that enable data analysis and manipulation tasks in Python. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in understanding the basic of this data structures and their uses in Python. And in next tutorial, I'm going to create a detailed video on this both the data structures. So I will create one detailed video with lot of example for series and for pandas. So thank you for watching. You're watching Cloudy Auto.